Yeah, I did a European tour with Eddie Kendricks and the Temptations.
Oh,
Yeah.
that got to be cool too, man. Come on, you got to tell us about that. Something must have
Well,
happened there.
uh, uh, it was interesting. Let me just say that because it was now Eddie Kendricks and Big Eddie Kendricks, and then it would be in small print, formerly of the Temptations. You know what I mean? But Barry Gordy owns the Temptations,
Right.
the whole the
That's
name
right.
and everything else, so they couldn't use it. But it was all the same guys: Dennis Edwards and of course Eddie
Well,
Kendrick.
Jimmy Ruffin, was he there, or was he
No, no.
he died already, or?
Well, that happened before I joined the band, and because what happened was they had done a gig in England, and David Ruffin had taken the money and disappeared for a month.
Get out.
Yeah, he went on a
On
he
a
went
binge, one of his
he went
binges.
on a binge.
Oh my God.
While I was and so like the band had had enough, and they all quit.
So David Ruffin, he kind of took off with the money. He's on his binge again, like you see
Yeah.
in the movie. Every time I see that movie, and these guys were great. I
Oh,
mean,
yeah.
they were unbelievable, man.
Yeah. Well, so the band and they all gave up on it, so they all quit, and that's how I got to be in the band behind me. So we did this tour in Europe, man, in Nuremberg, Berlin, Athens, Greece,
That's so
Thessaloniki,
cool, man. That is
Greece, Freiburg, and Austria, I think is. Anyway, big tour, you know.
How were they? Were they nice? Or they personable?
Well,
Or was like you
it
play the
was-
piano and I'll see you later. I'll see you
No,
tomorrow.
there were no. We were all together all the time. I
Oh,
mean,
okay,
we're on
cool.
tour, man. You know, so it's like you're together with them all the time. And Eddie, it was in the last stages of his life. He had lung cancer,
Right.
and essentially outside of Dennis Edwards, all the other guys were unknown guys. Okay, had one guy who was really taking the place of Eddie, you know. But these young guys that came in and some, I mean, they were all great.
They were rocking, huh?
Oh,
Oh, my
man,
God.
they were really great.